Welcome to 5 Main Garden Pro. Having a beautiful garden at home and one of life's simple pleasure. It's a space where you can relax, unwind, and connect with nature. And today's video, we are going to share with you some inspiring garden ideas to help you create your own personal oasis. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, our channel is dedicated to providing you with the best tips, tricks, and advice to help you achieve your dream garden. From easy to maintain landscapes to more intricate design, we have got something for everyone. If you are short on time but still want to stunning garden, we will show you how to select plants that require minimal care and maintenance. We also gave you ideas on how to decorate your rocks and pebbles into your garden to add texture and interest. For those who want a more natural and authentic look, we will share tips on how to incorporate patio plants into your garden design. Not only do they require less maintenance, but they also help to preserve the local ecosystem and promote biodiversity. We also show you how to use your garden to enhance the curb appeal of your home. Whether you live in a contemporary apartment or an old historic house, with the right plants and landscaping techniques, you can create a stunning outdoor space that complements your home's style and personality. Remember, creating a beautiful garden takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Not only will you have a space to enjoy the outdoors and relax, but a well designed garden can also increase your property value and make your home more attractive to potential buyers. At the Garden Hub, we are passionate about all things gardening and we are committed to sharing our knowledge and expertise with you. So be sure to check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks. As you watch our video, we invite you to share your thoughts and opinions on the garden idea we present. Do you have any questions or suggestions for us? We would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed our collection to garden inspiration. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Until next time, happy gardening.